We dare you not to be mesmerized by these colorful explosions of slime and floral foam. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Hackers to be the first to see our newest DIY projects and hacks. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, let's have some fun. This is floral foam. You can pick it up at any craft store. It comes in different consistencies. The really firm foam absorbs less water. The softer foam absorbs more water and is easier to shape. You can press a candle votive into it to make a fun design, or use your finger. Once you've pressed out your design in the floral foam, you can add glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. Pour some water in with the glitter and add glitter paint around the edges. Time to play and watch your creation change and sparkle. It feels really cool between your fingertips. Make fun designs with glitter, beads, and glitter paint. Enjoy! Kick things up a notch by adding slime into the mix. This is super satisfying. Give it a try. You can get a variety of different slimes at the store. They come in different textures and colors, but they are all fun to play with. We love slime. Seriously, we could do this for hours. make your own slime? Here's a recipe. Pour 12 ounces of non-toxic glue into a bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda, mix together. Add a few drops of washable glitter paint or food coloring. Add 2 tablespoons of saline solution. Mix the saline solution into your slime until it starts to form together. FYI, the more baking soda you use, the thicker your slime will be. Enjoy stretching and pulling it, and watch it change colors. This one feels like silly putty. Here's another batch of homemade slime. We used the same recipe for this, but added different colors to it. You can create fun shapes and designs with your slime. Add rhinestones, craft glitter, and beads to your creation. The possibilities are endless. Bye bye, kitty cat! It can be fun to massage different beads and rhinestones into your slime. And those are our super satisfying slime and foam creations. If you liked playing with us today, subscribe for our newest videos. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. See you around!